Hi teachers, if you need to enable Flash to see the statistics graph on Schoology, this is how you do it. So first you're going to need to open Google Chrome. We will navigate to File. Actually, you're going to navigate to Chrome, sorry. You're going to select Preferences. You will scroll down until you see Advanced. Select the Advanced button, and you'll scroll down in Privacy and Security until you see Content Settings. In Content Settings, you'll look for Flash, select it, and then what you'll need to do is add our Cathedral site. So you'll add learn.cathedralcatholic.org. You add the site, and it will, as you can see here, be added to the sites that allow Flash. Thanks, and if you need to know how to do this on Safari, you can look for the next video.